Good morning, students. This is the sixth video of the chapter Civilizing the Natives and Educating the Nation. This video has been made for class 8th and it belongs to history. So let us discuss this topic in detail. So far we discussed the role of Rabindranath Tagore and his achievement to adopt natural education system and his role to establish a model institutions that is popular all over the world today. Now, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the contribution of Mahatma Gandhi and his role in understanding Western and Indian education. So, let us discuss the role of Mahatma Gandhi in understanding and creating awareness about the education system. Gandhi's view on education. So, what was the Gandhi's views of education? So, his focus around the fact, he focused mainly on the fact that education is not merely a means to achieve status or earn money. Rather, it should bring freedom to the individual. So, he was of different opinion. He never took education as a means to earn money or to earn fame and name. He believed that it is earned to get the freedom. He advocated that fact that kids must be imparted with vocational education, which is a good way to learn and know things. So he put great emphasis on the vocational education apart from the academic education. So he gave equal importance to vocational education. That was and that is still today is very important for overall growth of an individual. She focused clearly that the freedom is the most important thing and it should be the goal, it should be the objective of education. So that is why he gave more focus and he told clearly that freedom to the individual is the ultimate goal of education. So let us discuss few important facts or few important thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi regarding the education system. He told clearly the principal idea is to impart the whole education of the body, mind, and soul through the handicraft that is taught to the children. So he believed that vocational training and the most important training is not the theoretical part, but the most important training or education is the practical part. And that is why he taught students that you should go with handicraft, and this is going to help you in development of your mind, your soul, as well as your body. So three things will develop when the students are going to adopt the system of handicraft or they are going to start with the handicraft production. So we came to understand that Gandhi view was very clear. He laid emphasis on the vocational training apart from the regular academic training. Next viewpoint was that the aim of university education should be turned out true servants of the people who will live and die for country's freedom. Now he emphasized on the patriotism. He clearly told that aim of university should not be there to earn income, to earn rewards, but to create few true servants for the society and few servants or few important dedicated servants for the country, and those servants should be ready to live and die for country's freedom. I mean to say, the education should be imparted in such a way that the students are ready to remove the shackles or bondage. Now apart from that, he firmly told and he firmly believed that the higher development of the mind and the soul is possible under such a system of education. Only every handicraft has to be taught not merely mechanically as is done today, but scientifically also. The child should know why and wherefore of every process. So he believed in scientific temper. Like Nehru was a great believer of scientific temper, Gandhiji also believed in the scientific temper. He clearly told that mind and soul will work together. When the children will be produced before the training program that is equipped with mechanical as well as scientific method. So here scientific method reflects the scientific temper. All the children should be ready to ask question, and they should be ready not to just accept but to experiment with also, to inquire. So he believed clearly that mind and soul will work, and it will work under the system of education when children become much inquisitive. They must ask question, they must learn something from the experiment and from the practicals. Under different point, he was of the opinion that literacy in itself is no education. Only becoming literate is not an education. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. By education, I mean an all round drawing out of the best in the child and man body, mind, and spirit. He firmly believed that education is not about making a human being. Education is about making a complete human being. That human being who is completely sound through his mind, through his soul, and through his body. He completely believed that overall development should be the ultimate goal of education, and overall development will come only the student or the aspirant will believe in education, not in literacy only. Now, the most important thing that Gandhiji emphasized on was the basic education. He told clearly that basic education links the children, whether of cities or the villages, to all that is best and lasting in India. We need to understand here that Gandhiji put or laid much emphasis on the basic education, and he laid emphasis the basic education should be propagated not only in cities but it should be propagated as well in the villages also, so that the students should get the benefit and they should come with more knowledge, more valuable things in their life. So we need to understand here that from the university to the basic education, Gandhiji put forwarded his viewpoint that education system is not complete in itself. It is a complete journey, and students will have to follow the journey from the basic education to the to the basic education, to the higher education, to the advanced education, to the professional education or vocational education. All the students should be ready to accept these education not only through his body, not only through his soul, but also through the heart and mind. So these were the special points, these were the special viewpoint of Gandhi. He firmly believed that Western education is not going to develop Indians in its full terms. Indians will develop only when they will get values in their life, when they will feel that education is not only about earning the money or earning the status or earning the name and fame. It's about developing the soul, it's about developing the body, it's about developing the mind, and after all, it's about humanity. So Gandhiji view was completely different, and his opinion about education system was completely marvelous, and it is still relevant in the present context, and we are actually accepting it in all its forms. And that is why Gandhian thought is being explained in different universities, in different colleges, and there is a special Gandhian thought school is there at the international level, and students are getting enough knowledge, they are getting enough knowledge from this particular type of education institution. So this is all about this video, and this is how we came to understand that how knowledge, how the education system changed in our country with the emergence of British administration or with the emergence of company rule in India. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much.